So I saw your question on the discussion board. You're given this pier here. The boat sails 27 miles. I guess must be going due east to point B, then it changes directions. Sails to point C. They give you this angle's 40 degrees and they tell you it goes 13.4 miles. Well, to find this angle here, I mean, this is a right angle, so you go 90 minus the given angle. You know, this angle here in the triangle's 50. So we know two sides and included angle, so we can use the law of cosines to find the opposite side. So I put the law of cosines here, where we're finding b, lowercase b. Lowercase a is 13.4, lowercase c is 27, and the angle is 50. So I put those numbers in. I guess I put that in a calculator. I get 443.4 there. Didn't write it down. I need to take the square root of it, and I get 21.06 miles. Hope that helps.